Just in a different bit of a woodland, like, but there's a nest here. We're up in the Pennines area, you know, it's all moorland and this sort of place. You get different birds up here than what we get local. And there's a nest here. It's got nothing in it, but I was thinking, could that have been a spotted flycatcher? It looks very similar to like a robin's or a chaffinch, but I'm just not sure. It's in a strange place for it to be in a chaffinch. But it's got no in there, and don't know if it's on building. It doesn't look lined. Doesn't look fully built properly, but there is fresh green moss on there. So it could be building. Probably is going to be worth coming back in a week or two. Oh, another one. Just a blackbird's nest in there, but it's got note in it. The storm damage is doing some good. While the tree's doing it. Created new nesting places for the birds. Oh. Aye.
We're back up in this old barn. We found the kestrel's nest. When we first found it, it was just a little scrape, and then we found it in two. And the last time we came up here, it had the 5 eggs.
It might even have 6 chicks there, no?
Like five or six. But now it's got little chicks there. They're still just little balls of fluff, so they're not that old actually. If I can get the camera out there, you can see them all just huddled together there. Can't tell, but you're there. They're not even.
We're going to try and get them feeding, weren't we?
They're not even a week old.
But we've actually seen the kestrel coming in with a feed on the way here, so...
As I come in, the kestrel flew out, the female one. So they're not going to be coming back in a hurry to feed. If we'll leave it for another week, a week and a half, and I'll feather up, come back up and set the camera up, and we should get them coming in good and feeding. As you can see them all there just huddled together. I'll leave them be. And then we'll come in another week, a week and a half. See if we can get some good footage.
Right, we've just been chatting the kestrel there, but straight across you've got a oyster catcher. And it's just flying away.
Fence nicely forward there. It'll definitely have a nest somewhere.
It was trying to get back here somewhere.
Well, last year we found them just across here, like a little bit of a little bit of an island.
Just doing here. We'll have a look. But we've seen quite a few pairs as we came doing with the lapwings and everything all over. We'll have a little look. Right, I'll put the camera back on because it's not getting anywhere. I'm just wondering if it's got chicks around here. Curlew just lifted off that path up there. I think that might have chicks here somewhere, you know. Because it's in too stupid of a place for it to be nesting. Yeah, and it seems to want to get back, doesn't it?
Another one across, yeah.
Aye. It's alarm call there. I'm being careful where I stand just in case. I was on that island doing there last year. There's a few lapwings doing the bottom there as well. I was thinking it's got chicks around here somewhere because it's
Right. There's that one
Really?
there just over the bank side. There's the other one sitting on a post.
it's really agitated that way here. We're going to get away. I just wanted a little bit footage of it. I'll put the camera on the stand and zoom in on it. So we're not going to disturb it for too long. It is just nice to get a little bit of footage of these things.
Sitting across here on the bank, and I'm sure it's crazy. Sitting over there. Could be in there.
I can hear it up there.
It's just like sitting there on the bank.
One second, I'll get the camera because we've got some good footage of this. We've come to this old building, but there is. Hopefully there might be swallows. Is that the stock dog just flew?
Why, this is where you found the stock dove, isn't it?
It's come out from around the back and flew around.
It's have big young.
It should have young by now, aye. But I'm just looking at the bottom first, see if there's any swallows in, because there was a few nests in here. Last time I looked. I'm just being careful in case there's any rats are out or anything. Them nests.
Look at this, right? These leaves have been out. These look kind of new.
They're all new. They've renewed the floor and everything upstairs. Aye, it's all been renewed. Aye. These nests look old. They haven't been done, these ones. They haven't been renewed. I'm just looking to see if there's any on this triple. There was a couple in this side as well. There was one up there and one here, but these haven't been renewed. The swallows aren't using them for some reason. Oh, there's a big one, a couple of big ones here. Quite hard to see into them. But there's nothing in them, I've just looked. Not in that one either, I think. It's not even much of a platform. Right, we'll go upstairs and have a look. To get upstairs you've got to come around the side and around the back. In the door. Right, someone's had a crate here for some reason. Like you said, it's all quite new in here, the floor, solid. But this is where the stock dove was, behind one, I think it's in that, and behind this one.
The torturing out.
No, as usual. I've just seen
the youngins tent.
I just seen it run away there.
You come out and see it like there.
I'll get up on here.
Sitting up in there.
Aye, it's only got the one.
It's just canny size.
Aye. Because it had 3 eggs. I thought there might have been swallows and stuff in here, but there's no. Something's better than nothing. Something now, I'm zoomed in too far. I think I was zoomed in way too far there for some reason. Camera played up. You can see them. I'm being careful where I stand because this end of the floor doesn't look too, where the rain's been coming.
Solid there underneath.
But where the rain's been coming in doesn't look too good. There's a bunch of oyster catchers doing that. There's a swallow flying around, lapwing.
Well, you don't want nesting in them tunnels.
Aye. Can't get into them. Look on all the way down there. They must have chicks over there somewhere, them oyster catchers. They've got to have. So well, there's a pair up. It might be pairing up or something, I'm not sure. You can see that tunnel. That's where the swallows came out as we walked around. Can't be bothered to walk up that. Who says it's a bit knackered, that one, that building. Right, get over here. Right, we're getting back up. Really ought to canny bit down there.
Well, we've got a nice close up of the oyster catcher.
Had a look in the other barn that stocked up.
Stocked up. They must have had young oyster catchers, they must have.
Yeah, because it's just on the path. There was a few lapwings there as well, and the same with that curlew down there.
We've found a couple of them on eggs anyhow this year. Oyster catchers.
They always bring the chicks down to water, like in a safe little community together. It's like safety in numbers. That's how you know when they've like got chicks when they're all down there together.
So
Otherwise,
bad meat, eh?
No, it was kind of down the rain when we first came out. We were thinking, well, we'll be able to get down there.
When we drove, it was...
It was nasty. The sun's got out, the birds are singing.
Yeah, we'll get away.
Alright. Right, thanks for watching.